Good morning. Look at that fantastic winter squash. Right now we are in a race against time. It is early September where I live, and our first frost is around mid-October-ish where I live. So this plant has about a month and a half to give me some winter squash. But don't worry, we're going to keep a close eye on the frost, and we're going to make sure we get some great squash out of these bad boys. Next, look at that. Those are the beans. Cool little purple flowers. Love that. We're going to get some beans out of these soon. We'll climb up our third sister. But this is why we're here today. Corn silk. Beautiful. See, very soft, delicate. Up here, if you see, we have tops of the corn here. Now, look at this. So, this is why we're here today. How on earth does corn get pollinated? Now, beans are easy. Pollinators, bees, fly into here, grab some pollen, go flower to flower, flower, pollinated. Excellent. Corn is different. That's why you see all these corn plants are close together. Because, this is a cool part, the pollen comes from this. Tops of the plants here, it falls down, and cool, see how nature did this for us? Look at this. It captures, it comes down here, and it brings it into the silk. What's cool about the silk is every piece of silk, every silk here is attached to, connected to, one kernel of corn. So you may see corn put in a store because they reject them, but if you grow your own corn, you'll see that sometimes you'll see kernels which are not pollinated correctly, and they're immature, they don't look right. That's because some of these silks here were not pollinated. But later, we're going to show you how to, if you want to, how to artificially pollinate your corn. But we, right here, look at this. So, it comes here, comes down, 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 captures, pollinates this right here, so it pollinates our corn. Isn't that cool? I'm so glad I planted corn this year. Almost didn't, but I want to show you guys how corn is pollinated. That is so neat. From up here, down, down, down to here. And let's get better. Look at this. So here, see here? See this close up? Let's see if we can get a focus. There we are. Look at that. See here? See that? Let's begin to pollinate. And it'll come down into the plant there, into these plants here. See, they're really close. See that? That's why I plant my corn really close together, because pollen from here, pollen from here, they'll all pollinate each other. So that is so cool. I want to show you that, how corn is pollinated. So get planting. I've already planted. Not too late. It's September. Get planting. Good luck. Have a great day. God bless you.